Hey everyone, welcome to Rodney's 2-Minute Tips. In 2 minutes or less, I will share tips and tricks that I've gathered over the last 50 plus years. I hope that these tips will make your life a little easier and maybe a little more prosperous. Well folks, today I have a little confession. This video is going to be a little longer than 2 minutes as I have a lot of great information to pack in a short period of time. Today's video is on how to lead a toxin-free life with essential oils. If you're not familiar with essential oils, they are the most powerful parts of a plant. They are distilled from shrubs, flowers, trees, roots, bushes, fruits, rinds, resins, and herbs. Oils consist of over 100 natural organic compounds. Essential oils support different things in your body. They can support the skeletal, muscular, circulatory, endocrine, respiratory, and immune systems. They can also support your hormones, brain health, healthy weight, emotions, spiritual health, and stress levels. There are over 300 oils on the earth, but you only need 10 or 20 oils to build a good kit for your home. The best part is you don't have to be an aromatherapist to use oils. There are 3 main ways to get oils into your system. You can rub them on your skin, you can ingest them, you can diffuse and inhale them, which can be the most effective method because the oils don't have to pass through your digestive system. Now let me tell you a little essential oils history. Some of the oldest cultures use essential oils. The Egyptians used essential oils for beauty and embalming, and they have the oldest recorded deodorant recipe made from essential oils. Frankincense was found in King Tut's tomb. Oils were first mentioned in the Bible in Genesis chapter 37 when the slave traders that took Joseph carried spices, balm, and myrrh. Joseph's father was anointed with myrrh for burial in Genesis, and Jesus was given frankincense, myrrh, and gold. It was only after World War II when essential oils were rediscovered. The science on their uses grows with every single year. Now, essential oils are cropping up in more places, but be careful. There are some companies that sell oils more cheaply than others, but don't buy cheap oils. You may think oils are all the same, but they are not. Companies process oils in ways to save money. Think about it this way. If you spray your crops with pesticides, you have more crops to distill. If you use chemical solvents to extract the oil, you pull more oil out. If you dilute the oils with cheaper oils, then you stress the oil that you distill. Consequently, these are not pure essential oils. Most people are looking for ways to have healthier lifestyles. Unfortunately, when you look at the ingredient list of the products that you have in your bathroom and kitchen, this tells a different story. Every day we put products on our skin, in our body, or breathe them in, but many of these products contain damaging chemicals. Remember, just because it's on the shelf doesn't mean it's safe for us. Studies have shown that the average woman applies over 300 chemicals a day to her body just through the soaps, makeup, shampoo, and hair products she uses. Many of these chemicals are applied before breakfast. Pure essential oils have single ingredients like lemon, peppermint, frankincense, and tangerine. That means no additives and no yuck. So it makes sense to incorporate cleaner products in your home. But where do you begin? You might be wondering, which oils do I buy and where do I buy them? I recommend Young Living Pure Therapeutic Grade Oils. I recommend that you start with a Young Living Premium Starter Kit. It is the only thing on the Young Living site that's half off. You're literally getting 11 bottles of therapeutic grade oils, a diffuser, and other goodies for much less than you can get in a grocery store. And each bottle contains about 90 drops of oil in it. That's up to 90 applications. So you see, essential oils is the best way I know to have a simple, chemical-free lifestyle in your home. I think we can agree it's time to kick chemicals to the curb. You control what you allow across the threshold of your home. After you see what these oils do for your body and you begin to kick chemicals out of every room of your house, It is impossible to walk into the home of friends and family and not share what you know. You'll start to share your experiences with oils with people you love and care about, and you'll want them to live healthier lives as well. It only makes sense. When you take care of yourself, you can live a fuller, happier, healthier life. As you get started on your journey to a healthier you, don't cut corners. Young Living has a proven track record of over 25 years of producing pure essential oils. Young Living has over 600 products to help you and your family rid your home of harmful toxins and chemicals. You'll be a member of a worldwide community of like-minded people who are supporting their emotional, physical, and spiritual wellness with Young Living essential oils. Well, that's it. All you need to do now is click the link below to order your starter kit or to gather more information. As always, if this video brought you value, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Have an awesomely healthy day.